Hello guys, TB33 here, welcome back to the channel. I haven't been around for some time as I had some thunderstorms in the life, so I had to take a little bit off. But I'm back with something new for the Aprilia, and this is finally the exhaust for it, so we can hear finally the real sound of the bike. So I was between few options. The one I wanted mostly to get was the SC Project GP22 or S1. Because they're short exhaust, you put under the rear set and this way the tail stays clean. And the other option was the Leo Vinci exhaust, which exactly the one I got versus the SC Project. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit in the video later why I decided to go with the Leo Vinci. So let's get to the installation to see how it looks. Let's open that thing to see. Should be, as you can see, the package, of course. Italian guys don't play. Always nice looking. So you can see the package. It's Italian brand, as we all know. The Italian brands are amazing and always, of course, good looking. So let's see how the exhaust look like. I hope really the way I'm expecting. So let's see. Oh shit, definitely that is something beautiful. Wow, beautiful. You can see all black. It's done really well. So we're gonna talk a little bit later. Another reason I decided to go with this one, and for now, by seeing it, I'm very happy with the finish. It's done really clean, very good quality exhaust. The cover is just amazing. So let's see what else we have here. Should be another thing here, the whole package. Wow, beautiful. So, that definitely is gonna stay beautiful. I see from now. It's just amazing. Thank you. I put the whole exhaust here. Check this. Wow, this is amazing. Nothing I can want more. This is just beautiful. It's just amazing. I cannot wait to hear the sound of that thing. Pretty good, because I'm flying. Okay, should be strong enough. Okay guys, and the exhaust is already on the bike, so let me show how it looks like. Absolutely stunning, absolutely perfect fitment. It's just beautiful. As you can see, all black exhaust which connect with the covers of the bike. So I can say I am very happy with my choice. The fitment is perfect. Usually here the company sent one attachment which brings the exhaust further from the hanger, which I didn't like, but in my case the hanger fits perfectly with the exhaust, so I don't have to put that attachment. As you can see, I'm gonna start it in a little bit so you can hear the sound. Absolutely beautiful.